Hi! So this is a bit of a different layout than what you're used to. Now that at some point I'll start getting pain in my lower back. There's that to look forward to. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm not very green fingered. I don't know why, but that sentence doesn't sound right in my head now. I have certain plants that do very well. I've got a plant here that does brilliantly, and I've got another plant over here. Got this guy as well. His name is Roger. He doesn't have a name. I didn't name him. I don't know. So I do well with them. But then there's other plants that I don't do so well with, like my succulents, which you already know about. No! I got this plant purely because of his name. He's a happy bean plant, so obviously I immediately had to buy him. Unfortunately, I didn't know how to take care of him. He's not doing very well. He keeps dropping his beans. It's not, I've failed you. I think I overwatered him at the beginning, and then since then, he's just not done too well. I actually had 2 plants in this originally, and one of them completely just got root rot and died. Yeah. The thing is though, is I do actually enjoy gardening. That's the frustrating part. It's just hit and miss as to whether my plants actually survive, because I'm a moron. Basically, I like plants. I'm just not a very good mother. However, I'm not ready to just give up like that, you know? I'm applying the same principle that I have with my makeup, and that is the more you practice at something, the better at it you're gonna get. I don't know whether that still applies to plants or not, but I'm gonna try it anyway, and hopefully I'll just get good at this. Is this something that you can get good at? I don't know, I'm gonna give it a go. So I've got some seeds. Now, when I was a kid, I used to grow things from seeds, and I enjoyed it a lot. I haven't done it since. Oh my god, this goes raspberries? I don't even know what this contained. I just bought it. Shit, I'm going to mint and everything. Maybe out of my element here. I'm remaining hopeful. I can do this. I can do this. So I'm gonna just get started. I've got a big bag of soil here. That is gonna do me nicely, I think. I don't have any tools because fuck that, I'm just gonna use my hands. We're planting seeds. This, I think, is just literally a pack of seeds, whereas this is an actual kit. So I'm going to open this first and see what the deal is with this. Oh, I'm going to need scissors. Where did I put my scissors? I've got scissors. What have we got here? So I got some little pots. I supplied my own pots here in case I wanted more. So I've got these here and these as well, which is where I had some succulents on them and then they died. Oh, I think that's soil. Is it soil? What does this kit come with? Coconut husks, coconut husk discs which expand when watered. So I didn't need the soil. Well, I'll need that for the other one, I guess. So many seeds. Got fennel, raspberry, mint, but they've written it multiple times for some reason. Rosemary and dandelion and rosehip. Why am I growing dandelions? It's weed, isn't it? And then we've also got a bunch of sticks in here. Booklet. Okay, that gives me no information whatsoever. I thought this was going to be like a tutorial or something, but I guess not. There's like nothing to teach you how you're supposed to do this. This plant box contains real plant seeds which may die before or after germination. No! Please plant as soon as possible. Okay, we'll get on this plant. I think I need to do these husks here. I think what I do is just open them in. Put them all in. Now I just need to get some water. I don't have a watering can. I'm using my teapot instead. Are we supposed to do something? Oh my god, it's gone huge! Like I planted these the wrong way around. I gotta go that way, so the hole's at the top. I need to add some more water. Oh, it's leaking! Stop! They're all leaking. Oh, is that their way of saying there's enough water? It starts to leak. I mean, I should have known that this cardboard wasn't going to be waterproof. I know I always make such a mess. So I think I'm going to do like a little experiment. I'm going to use these weird things, then also use some normal soil and put it in here and sort of compare to see which one grows quicker or not. Yeah, that'd be fun, right? And then I'll use these bigger ones for the other herb. 12 varieties. There's 12 different types in that one. Now we'll just decide which ones I want to grow with it. This is getting everywhere. Okay, let's just get started. Let's open these up a little bit. I can get at the soil. There we go. That's better. I don't feel so bad about getting water everywhere. Oops. First one is going to be rosehip. Okay, so we got 3 seeds. Great. 1 in there and 2 in this one. Just cover it up in the same for having a bit more. Nice. Okay. Next seed is going to be dandelion. I actually got a couple this time. Somewhere in here, I'm gonna write each rosehip like the same here. Okay, and this one will be dandelion. Cover up the seeds there. And then we'll also write on here dandelion. Bit of water. So the next one is gonna be rosemary. How many seeds are in this bag? 3. Yeah, we got 3 seeds. I mean, they didn't have to be so stingy with the seeds. Come on, they could have given it more than 3. 2 in this one. Oops, that's it. One of them went down the side. And then we'll put 1 in the hole in his own. So the next seed is, ooh, it's gonna be mint. Wait, what? Is that what they look like? They're just tiny little dots? Shit. Okay, well, fuck, I'm gonna do this. I actually need to do it on my hand. I can't tell what is soil and what is the seeds. So tiny, why are they so small? I have a feeling the mint is not gonna grow. Watch this, none of them grow. Alright, next one is gonna be raspberry. 3 little seeds. So let's put 2 in there. Now the final one is fennel. Oh god, those are huge. Those are some big seeds. I can't remember which one was which. I think this one was a raspberry. And this one was fennel. Let's clean this up a bit. Let's move on to these. Oops. Kitchen herbs. So we've got salad rocket. I thought this was herbs. Is rocket a herb? Okay. Well, we've got rocket. We've got oregano. We've got chives, parsley, dill, peppermint, basil, which we're definitely going to do in time. Garden cress. I think we're going to do that one actually because I know it's an easy one. That's like one of the first things that you're able to grow as a child is cress. Sage, rosemary, and coriander, which I think we're going to go with some coriander. This moves these in a bit closer. I could have cleaned this off, but let's be honest, I'm just going to mess it up anyway, so. So let's plant the best one first. Lots of tiny little seeds in there. Too many in there, it's overcrowded. Okay, put you aside. Oh, these are like little bowls. Okay. And the final one is gonna be some cress. I just realised that on the back of these, they actually do give instructions on how to plant. Pretty sure I planted the other ones wrong. Oops. What about these ones? See, this is why I fail at gardening. Oh, you're supposed to just put it on the top. Oh shit. Alright, well these ones I just sprinkle on the top. Should be listening to my plants. I think I'm going to replant the other 2, just so then I know I'm giving them the best first start. So this was the coriander, which was the little balls. And they say 10 inches apart from one another. Okay, try and dig these up. Where did they go? Okay, well they've gone. I can't seem to find them anymore. Let's just stick some more soil in here. Panicking! 10 inches apart from one another. Well, that means we can only really plant 1. So let's just get 1 out of here. I think that should be okay. Basil, gently press the seeds into the soil without covering them up. This I think is similar to the cress, we just kind of lace them on top. Oops, give them a tiny bit of water. Okay, so we're done. So let's put them in some sunshine, eh? So here we are in the brightest place in my flat, which isn't particularly bright. Well, this is England, so it's never going to be particularly bright. You know, the sun can penetrate through the clouds, right? Yeah, so there isn't really anything else to do now other than hope that it grows. I'll give as many updates as I can on my future videos, maybe give little daily updates on my Twitter, so if you want to go and follow me on that, then you know, go right ahead. I occasionally post stuff on there. I'm trying to get into the habit of posting more on there, so I feel like if more of you gathered on there, it would encourage me more. I hope you all have a lovely day. Like and subscribe and all that stuff if you like this video. It'd be very much appreciated, you know. Bye!